chain. We are going to learn about the different parts of the food chain. How living things get their food. First, we learn about producers. Producers are living things that make their own food. We are surrounded by producers everywhere we go because every plant is a producer. The grass, it's a producer. It makes its own food. Yay! The trees, they are producers. They make their own food. Okay. Happy? How do plants make their own food? Plants make their own food by using the energy from the sun. They don't cook or bake. They make their food by using sunlight, air and water. Now let's talk about the next part of the food chain. They are consumers. Consumers have to look outside for food. They cannot create their own food using photosynthesis like producers can. We humans are the consumers. We eat food in our environment which helps us to stay healthy and strong. And we are not alone. All the fishes are the consumers. All the animals are the consumers. And all the birds are the consumers. Now let's talk about the third part of the food chain, decomposers. Happy, what are decomposers? Decomposers have the very important job. You can find them everywhere. Decomposers eat the dead remains. Earthworms, fungi, bacteria, and all the insects. They are all examples of decomposers. It breaks down plants and animals' matter into simpler parts or substances. That plants can get nutrients from the soil, and the cycle goes on and on and on forever.